Okay, so in this video, I'll share you about how to learn English. Learn English, and it's not like the vocabulary and you can read that particular book in English. It's not like that. You have to be able to talk. Okay, so how can you learn? How can you learn? It's really easy. I will share you two things. Like, just first thing is reading article. Okay, reading article. Tick. Okay, so just reading articles and reading article. How can you read that article? Like, as of your interest. Let's suppose if you want to know about the politics, just you can just uh, explore this website. This is edition.cnn.com, and you get a lot of things like politics, business, health, entertainment, style, travel, sports, and more. Okay, let's suppose if I want to explore science. Okay, so science, like if you want to know about something, you can read the article. Okay, and it's completely free. It's not charging any money for it. You can read that thing, and you get the idea, you get the knowledge from this website, and it's completely genuine, right? So it's not like you are just grabbing some fake knowledge. It's not like that. So you can use this website to read things to improve your vocabulary. Like if you start reading it, there would be a lot of words that you don't know. Let's suppose you don't know the meaning of rock, just search on a Google, like what is a rock? Okay. If you don't know about this observations, just search on Google, asteroid, if you don't know. Okay, and there's let's suppose if you don't know about impact, what does it mean, estimated, or any word, just go to Google, search on it, and l- just know what does it actually means. Okay, so the first thing is you need to do is this reading articles, and for reading you can use that this resource that I have shared it with you. And the other thing that you can do for yourself, and this is really impactful, is practicing, practice to talk, practice to talk. Not like this, like speaking. Okay, I'll say speaking. Okay, so how you are going to speak? Okay, so you generally get stuck in this thing, like you're not getting someone whom with you can practice English. So I will give you a really impressive tool that is completely free. You don't have to pay a single rupee for this tool to use, and you can speak to this AI tool. This is none other than this uh, AI Studio. Okay, so just come to this aistudio.google.com and come to this stream real time feature. Okay, and it's in stream real time feature, you generally talk to this Gemini live. Okay, real time. Just click on this, talk to Gemini. Hey Gemini, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How are you doing today?
Okay, so would you let me know what is the weather outside?
I don't have access to real-time information like the weather.
Okay,
You
so
could check a
it don't have. Okay, so if you want to know some real time things, just click on this where is that grounding icon? Okay, and it will also use that Google search. So hey,
Hi there. How can I help you today? You today?
uh, what is the weather outside?
I can help with that. What is your current location?
It's Kanpur.
Okay, the weather in Kanpur, India is 20 degrees Celsius and clear. Is there anything else I can assist you?
How can I improve my English while talking to you?
That's a great question. I can help you improve your English by offering corrections and suggestions as we converse. Do you want to try that out?
Yeah. So I just want to know if I talk to you for 10 minutes every day for 30 days. So is it possible that I would be fluent in English?
Okay, so you're wondering if talking to me for 10 minutes a day for 30 days would make you fluent in English? While it's a great practice, fluency depends on many factors. Would you like to discuss some of them?
Yeah, sure.
Sure thing. One important aspect of fluency is the amount of time you spend actively using the language. Would you say you have other opportunities to practice English in your daily life?
Yeah. Okay, so I want to grab some opportunities in my career. So career-wise, like English is very important. So I want to learn how to speak fluently. If I get any anonymous person, if I get an idea, I should be able to talk about that idea to that person so that I can also get some, real time feedback or can get some suggestions about that particular thing. So that's why I want to improve it.
That's a very practical goal. It's great that you're thinking about using English to advance your career. Besides conversation,
Okay, so I think you can understand now that you can use this tool. Okay, Google AI Studio. Come to this Google AI Studio. Click on this real time, stream real time, and one second, just refresh it and click on this talk to Gemini. And if you click on this talk to Gemini, it actually starts talking to you. You can practice with it. Okay, and it's an AI tool, so it also knows about everything on the internet. So if you want to practice about some subject, if you want to ask some questions, or if you want to get some news, or you want to get about some person, get about some movie, you can generally ask your question. And also you can also there's a two-way communication like you and AI. So you should also listen whatever AI is trying to say. Okay, so listening is also important. Listening, speaking, and writing plus reading, like these four things make your English a perfect. Okay, so if you focus on it and if you give some time, okay, the more time you give it, the more fluent you would be. So this is the only thing I can assure you ki if you dedicatedly give 15 minutes or 30 minutes every day as a reading purpose, sorry, as a learning purpose. And if you discuss anything, you also learn you also you also improve your listening capability, you also improve your reading capability, because I also shared like you have to read some articles and you can ask any question about it to that AI so that you can practice those things. Okay, and the thing you are learning, if you're not practicing, that makes no sense, right? So for that reason, if you purchase any courses, like if you purchase any English communication course or speaking courses, that will not add any value, that will not teach you anything until and unless you start speaking, you start practicing with someone. And AI tool would be a great start. Like start talking to it, and if you get some confidence, just try to talk to some other people, okay, your friends, your family members, or any anonymous guy. If you think like that person can understand English, can communicate in with you in English, just question. Okay, just try to put your question and listen also. Okay, so that will make you a confident person. And if you know multiple language, actually the brain functions well, right? So the more you know, the more languages you know, the more capable your brain become. Okay, so you get a lot of opportunities, and English is globally spoken, right? So if you know how to speak English, how to be fluent in that, just learn any accent, whatever. Like you can, if you're not learning any accent, that would not make any uh, you know, I want to say it's not like you have to learn it, but if you want to learn any accent, you can do it, right? So it actually add in some sparkles on your talent or any language that you learn. Okay, so that is another thing, but just try focusing on these things. Learn English, sorry, his reading articles. That for that you can use the CNN. And speaking, okay, for speaking you can use this Google AI Studio. And if you do it deliberately for 1 month, but if you are spending 1 month for it, make sure to continue it in your entire life. Okay, and and if I'm telling you for entire life, it doesn't mean like for every day you are getting some time talking to it. Ultimately you would have some idea, like you're feeling confident in English, you can talk to anybody, and that will give you a signal like you have been fluent in this language. And you don't need to spend much more time to practice it or whatever. Okay, so you would get to know. Okay, so that is the thing I want to share it with you. And I think you this video would definitely help you, so make sure to like it and subscribe this channel for more amazing content here on this channel as only. Okay, and share it with your friend if you think this video can help him or her, your boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever you think. If this video can help him or her, you can share it with that person. And I would see you on the next video.